Ever felt like your Monday was a complete disaster? Traffic jams, that email you accidentally sent to your boss? Spilling coffee on your white shirt? Well, let us introduce you to real disasters. We're talking the kind that reshape landscapes, send ash clouds soaring miles into the sky, and unleash rivers of molten rock. That's right, we're diving headfirst into the world of volcanic eruptions. Forget your morning coffee, because these eruptions are stronger than a double espresso shot straight to the face. We bring you six monster volcano eruptions ever caught on camera. So if you've ever wondered what it looks like when Mother Nature throws a tantrum of epic proportions, grab some popcorn and prepare to have your mind blown, because this is going to be explosive. Fagradalsfjall awakens after 6,000 years. Imagine an inertia unbroken for 6,000 years, then suddenly the Earth awakens and wreaks havoc. That's exactly what happened in 2021 in Iceland. For 815 years, the Reykjanes Peninsula lay dormant. Then in March 2021, the Earth stirred, and the world witnessed the awe-inspiring rebirth of Fagradalsfjall, a volcano that erupted after 6 millennia of silence. This historic event is captured in this stunning video. The volcano erupted after a series of intense earthquakes shook Iceland from 2019 to 2021. These events caused a fissure vent to get torn and open in Geldingadalur, south of the mountain, on March 19th. This wasn't just any eruption, it was a long-awaited awakening, the first volcanic activity on the peninsula in over 8 centuries. Unlike explosive eruptions, this was an effusive display of nature's power, with fresh lava flowing sporadically until September 18, 2021. Fuego's Fury 2018 eruption. The next footage demonstrates the terrifying power of nature unleashed with Guatemala's Fuego volcano eruption. On June 3, 2018, Fuego's most violent eruption in decades occurred, and this video captures the moment when the towering stratovolcano, known for its near-constant activity, erupted with devastating force, sending plumes of ash and pyroclastic flows flowing down its slopes. The contrast between the volcano's majestic beauty and the sheer destruction it leaves in its wake serves as a haunting reminder of nature's unpredictable and formidable might. Just as Mount Vesuvius rapidly engulfed Pompeii with pyroclastic flows, Fuego's 2018 eruption unleashed fast-moving, superheated flows that overwhelmed communities. Homes and villages, particularly in the communities of El Rodeo and San Miguel Los Lotes, were tragically swallowed by the relentless torrent of superheated gas and volcanic debris. When Rinjani roared, the 2015 eruption. This compelling video captures the 2015 eruption of Mount Rinjani, Indonesia. IT is an active volcano located on the Indonesian island of Lombok. Its eruption in late 2015 was a significant event that impacted both the local environment and regional air travel. Witness the dramatic moment when Barujari, a cone within the Rinjani caldera, unleashed a VEI-3 eruption, sending towering ash plumes soaring into the sky. Rinjani experienced a 2-month eruption with ash plumes reaching 6 kilometers altitude and lava flows reaching Segara Anak Lake. This eruption began in late October and continued into November, and was characterized by its explosive nature, producing substantial ash plumes and pyroclastic flows. A new eruption began in August 2016 and generated ash plumes to 10-kilometer altitude. Mount Rinjani is a popular trekking destination, and the eruption led to the closure of hiking trails and the evacuation of tourists and local residents from affected areas. Communities surrounding Mount Rinjani experienced ashfall, which affected agriculture and daily life. The ash covered vegetation and contaminated water sources, causing challenges for local residents. Kīlauea 2018, a volcanic cataclysm. The earth-shattering drama of the 2018 Kīlauea eruption, a volcanic event that redefined the landscape of Hawaii's Big Island. This isn't just a video, it's a visceral journey into the heart of a geological upheaval. Witness the breathtaking yet terrifying spectacle as fissures ripped open across the Leilani Estates neighborhood, unleashing rivers of molten lava that swallowed homes, roads, and entire communities. The 2018 Kīlauea eruption began with increased magma pressure, leading to activity in the East Rift Zone and subsequent fissure eruptions in Leilani Estates. As magma drained from the summit, the caldera collapsed, causing explosive events and ash plumes. Meanwhile, massive lava flows destroyed hundreds of homes and reshaped the landscape, reaching the ocean and creating hazardous lays. This multi-month event offered crucial insights into magma dynamics, hazard assessment, and the impact of lava-seawater interactions. This footage captures the relentless progression of the eruption, from the initial steam explosions and ash plumes to the dramatic collapse of Kīlauea's summit crater. See the explosive interactions between lava and seawater, sending towering plumes of steam and volcanic debris into the sky. Experience the sheer scale of the lava flows as they transformed lush landscapes into a barren volcanic wasteland. Mount Tavurvur volcano eruption, Papua New Guinea, 2014. On August 29, 2014, Mount Tavurvur, located in the Rabaul caldera of Papua New Guinea, experienced a sudden and explosive eruption. The Rabaul caldera is a highly active volcanic area, and Mount Tavurvur is a cone within that caldera. This geological context means that magma is constantly present and can find pathways to the surface. The trigger for the specific 2014 eruption is not ascertained, but it likely involved a buildup of pressure within the volcano's conduit. This pressure eventually exceeded the strength of the overlying rock, leading to a rapid release. This event was characterized by the rapid release of ash and volcanic gases, creating a significant ash plume that rose several kilometers into the atmosphere. The eruption produced a spectacular display of volcanic activity, with visible explosions and the ejection of incandescent material. However, compared to the devastating 1994 eruption, the 2014 event was relatively short-lived and less destructive. In September 1994, after decades of relative quiet, Mount Tavurvur erupted with explosive force. The eruption sent a massive plume of ash and gas soaring tens of thousands of feet into the atmosphere, plunging the region into darkness and significantly impacting air travel across the South Pacific. The eruption's force was so significant that it triggered a localized tsunami, further adding to the destruction along the coastline. Kīlauea 2008, the Halema Uma'u lava lake eruption. Now let's check out the raw power of Pele, the Hawaiian volcano goddess, in this gripping footage of the 2008 Kīlauea summit eruption. Before your eyes, Halema Uma'u crater transforms as a vent opens and a roiling lava lake surge within. After a period of increased gas emissions and seismic activity, a new vent opened within the crater on March 19, 2008. This vent became the site of a persistent lava lake, a phenomenon that had been absent from the summit for many years. Halema Uma'u crater holds significant cultural importance to native Hawaiians, being considered the home of Pele, and the eruption was viewed by many as a manifestation of Pele's power. The eruption introduced new hazards to the summit region, primarily related to increased gas emissions, VOG, potential ashfall from explosive events, and the risk of rockfalls and explosions within the crater. However, the lava lake became a major tourist attraction. The dramatic display of molten lava drew visitors from around the world, boosting the local economy. So that's all for today, folks. We hope you liked this video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay connected. Thanks for watching.